Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Warmly welcome to all of you with another important new series of Aramco Direct WPR question and answers. I hope you already have passed Aramco third party exam with 80% marks, and now you are going to be ready for Aramco Direct exam. Then this video would be really beneficial. And on the other side, if some guys already going for third party, maybe some of the questions still no harm to learn, and that would also be helpful in third party exam. But 99% mostly beneficial for the Aramco direct exam because Aramco exam is based on GI 2.100. So in that context, our exam pattern for Aramco exam should be in line with GI 2.100. So I prepared first 10 questions in this video, and inshallah, in the second video again 10. So there would be a series of videos. Whenever I'll get time, I'll definitely prepare the questions and then record a video and upload at YouTube channel, inshallah, at Training Zone. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And the criteria is very straightforward. I'll share with you one by one each question along with the four multiple options, and you have to tell the answer, or you can take a ball pen and paper and just start to consider it's your exam. Before you going for a Aramco exam, consider this is kind of a model practice exam. So you are practicing. So prepare your answers after watching each slide, like each question, read it carefully and then see what is the best answer out of four options. Select the correct one, and at the end of the video, I will share also the correct answers from my side. And you can compare. If you get 10 out of 10, mean 100% marks, you are excellent, mashallah. If you are achieving 90% or above, still very good, mashallah. But if your marks are below 90, because minimum Aramco expectations is you have to pass Aramco WPR exam with minimum 90% marks. So any gentleman, if he's getting less than 90 marks after this model exam, have to realize that you have to do more hard work, more focus you need, more concepts you have to clear technically, logically, and in line with the Aramco expectations. And of course, it's the oil and gas industry. So yes, technicality is very much important. Your concepts have to be clear, and you must study reference based as well. So let me start with question number one. But before that, it's a humble request. If you are new to our Training Zone YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm going to share the 10 questions, and at the end, there would be answers. But consider it's your exam before Aramco exam. So at the end, after watching, observing my right answers, you can mark yourself and see how many are correct. And in the comment, you can mention also, like out of 10, how many you uh, select the right one, like 8, 7, 9, or 10 out of 10. So inshallah, please share in the comment. Let's see who achieved 10 out of 10, like 100% marks. Let's start with question number one. So guys, question number one is, who should conduct a permit review? Who should conduct permit review? So the options are permit issuer, option B is permit receiver, option C is designated representative, and option D is competent person. Sometime, Aramco give you some sort of tricky questions, and you start feeling maybe all four answers are correct. But which one is most correct, especially in line with Aramco GI 2.100, or as per Aramco confine, or this construction safety manual, or as per Aramco safety handbook? So whatever maximum material you're gonna study about Aramco, the more you will be competent, inshallah. and your understanding will be more uh, improved the moment you create a learning broader window for learning actually. So what's your answer? Please have a ballpoint and paper and write 1A or 1B or 1C or 1D. What is the right answer in your as per your perception, as per your intelligence, as per your professional understanding, as per your competence level, Marshall. So choose the right one, the best right answer, and write it somewhere before we move on to next question. Who should conduct a permit review? Seems like all four options are correct, but only one option is in each question, only one option is correct, most correct. That is the challenge you need to accept to choose the right option. So I hope you have write your answer. You have written your answer, right? So let's move to question number two. What is the purpose of a permit review? Why do we review the permit? Why Aramco review the permit? What is the purpose? The option A is to ensure compliance with the permit. Now, some of you might need to know what is compliance. Sorry guys, there is Azan, so wait for a few minutes. Okay, guys. So, welcome back. Because Azan was there, so it's important to listen carefully and even go for the salam, inshallah. So, what is the purpose of a lockout tagout procedure? This is question number three. So, answer or like options are to prevent equipment from being energized, to identify hazards, to control risk, or all of the above. So, choose your answer. At the end, you will get the right answers, but make sure you conduct this exam by yourself and at the end see how many right answers are there. Who is responsible for implementing the rescue plan in a confined place? Bear in mind, rescue from confined space is one of the most challenging area, like more than 60% fatalities are happening with the rescues the moment they go for rescuing someone stuck in the confined space or became unconscious or got injured, whatsoever the reason is. But rescue from the confined space is so difficult. That's why we are getting help from technology. We use different tools, equipments like tripod and so many others. So, what's the right option? Like permanent issuer, permanent receiver, competent person, or designated representative? Who is responsible for implementing the rescue plan in a confined space? So, what is the most right answer? Choose your answer and then note down somewhere. Question number 5. What is a critical element of a uh, CMOPS plan? First of all, what is CMOPS stands for? Can someone mention in the comment? Otherwise, options are identify potential conflicts, increasing production rates. Option C is reducing personnel. D is meeting project deadlines. Same way, question number 6. What is the purpose of a rescue plan in a confined space? Read carefully all four options, like to rescue workers in case of an emergency, to identify hazards, to control risk, or all of the above. Question number 7. What is the minimum oxygen level? 10, 15, 20, or 25 as per Aramco? Question number 8 is what is the purpose of atmospheric testing in a confined space? To identify hazardous gases or to ensure a safe atmosphere, to determine the level of risk, or all of the above. Question number 9 is who is responsible for ensuring your safety in a confined space? Yourself, a Aramco contractor, or designated representative? Who is responsible for your safety in a confined space? Last question of video number 1, but of course, in video number 2, there would be like 11 to 20, then 21 to 30. So I'll keep making some new video series of Aramco direct exam, and later on we'll accept the challenge of third party exam also to prepare some new MCQs inshallah later on. What are the requirements for a confined space entry permit? Atmospheric testing, ventilation, PPs like personal protective equipment, or all of the above? So what is your most right answer? So guys, can I confirm? Have you note down your answers? Because it's your exam of 10 questions. Seems like in few of the questions, all answers seem like correct, but what is the most right answer? That is your challenge to choose the one. So, uh, have you written all answers of all 10 questions? Because after a few seconds, I'm going to share my right answers in the next slide. Can you comment? Is it yes or no, or still you are doing it? Mostly the answer is lying almost 60-70% within the question itself. So first, you have to be capable to understand the question. Like, what are the requirements for a confined space entry permit? Question number 10. What are the requirements? He's asking about requirements for a confined space entry permit. And he gave four options like atmospheric testing, ventilation, personal protective equipment, or all of the above. I hope, guys, you have noted down your 10 answers. Please compare with my answers and mark yourself and mention in the comment if you have achieved 100% marks, like 10 out of 10 marks. So these are the right answers. 1 is A, 2D, 3D, 4C, 5A, 6D, 7C. Question number 8 is D, and 9 is A, and 10 is D. All the best, guys. Stay tuned for video number 2, inshallah. Soon I'll get some time for sure and then upload 11 to 20 seconds. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. Please subscribe, like, and share. It's our daily learning club. Like me, I hope you guys also learning. Thank you very much.